Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset on your Android phone. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, before you factory reset your Android device, make sure to back up your data including contacts, messages, settings and files. You can use Google Backup and restore to a third party or a third party backup app to do this. So guys, open the settings app, go to your device setting app. The location of the reset option may vary depending on your device and your Android version. Search for the reset and type reset into the search bar in the setting app and click factory reset or the reset option. And here I'm going to search reset, and here you can see factory reset. Now you can erase all data and then select reset device or erase anything. And then they will ask you for your password. If promoted, enter your password or pin confirm to confirm the reset. Wait for the reset to complete. The factory reset process can take several minutes to complete, and once it's finished, your device will restart and you will need to set it up again. Also, you guys can note that factory resetting your Android device will erase all of your data from your phone, including contacts, messages, settings, and files. If you are resetting to fix an issue, we recommend first trying other solutions. Additionally, the location of the reset option may vary depending on your device model and Android version. If you can't find the reset option, try searching for the reset in the setting. And so if you guys like my video, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.